Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. I just received this super cute new book by Denyse Klette. This is Birds in the Forest, and it has a bunch of new little bird characters, and we're also introduced to a new character, a bear. So I've had this book for a little bit, Fairies in Dreamland. So as you can see, it is the same size and about the same thickness. And I've been having so much fun in this book, doing oil pastel backgrounds and just the characters in here, like the expressions of them are just so cute. So I was really excited when I saw this one was coming out. So got this one. She also has a one gnomes in the neighborhood, and there's a mermaid one too. I can't remember the full title of that one, but yeah, very cute. Again, the characters are really fun in here. So in this book, you're going to get, like I said, the birds, the bear, and then you're also going to get a few surprises of some of the other characters, some gnomes, a fairy, and a mermaid. And she is a licensed Disney artist, and I think that really kind of shines through with her characters, just because of the expressions of them. Like, it really draws you to them. You know, they're not like these huge expressions, but just these subtle little whimsical way she does them is a lot of fun. All right, so I'm going to do kind of a more silent flip through, and I might point out a few things here and there, but let's get started. All right, here is the first page with our bear. And you'll notice some pages have a really thick outline and some are a regular kind of thinner line. Here's our fairy. And here we have some gnomes. All right, this looks like it's the one from the front cover. It's nice, these pages are one-sided, so you can use alcohol markers. And the paper feels like a cardstock, not super thick, but it definitely has a little bit of weight to it. Nice big like moon, and these are very unique ways of doing stars. They look like they're doing yoga poses. That one's cute. It's got a little nest hanging from his beak with some little baby birds. These birds look like they're up to no good. Oh, we have more wintry scene. Here's a little piggy. I know this pig makes an appearance in the Fairies book. I'm not sure about the other books. But little pig's pulling a sled full of birds. And some more wintry looking pages. Looks like surfboards, and they're all ready to go swimming or surfing. They have the little inner tubes on. And there's our mermaid. pretty lovebirds here with the moon and then some stars. And these stars almost look blurry. So let's see if I can get you a closer look. All right, that's the end. Great book.